Hey everyone, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw something in celebration of the 4th of July. Well, I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Uncle Sam. I think this is going to be an awesome thing to draw. I can't wait to see what we come up with. Well, let's get to it. For the first step making our Uncle Sam, we're going to begin by making the hat as well as the ears. Awesome. Now right below the ears, we're going to begin to make the body as well as the arms and hands. The next step will be to move right below the body where we will begin to make the legs and feet of Uncle Sam. Awesome, this is coming along very well. Now we're going to add detail to Uncle Sam's face. One of the last steps for making Uncle Sam will be to finish his hat. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your Uncle Sam with us.